Grade 6. Today we'll solve from الدقهلية government questions bank model number 1. Look at with me question number 1. Choose the correct answer. The volume of cuboid whose dimensions 435 centimeter is the volume equal length times width times corresponding height. 4 product by 3 product by 5. 4 times 3 equal 12. 12 times 5 equals 60 cubic centimeter. It's the volume. Question number 2. If third of a number 7, then this number we can find this number by divided 7 by third, because third of a number, it's meaning third product is a number equals 7, then the number equals 7 divided by third. The number will be 7 product by 3. Convert from division to multiplication. Right reciprocal about third, it will be 3. 3 times 7 equal 21. Then the number will be 21. Choose letter C. Question number 3. 2 over 5 divided by fifth. We can write 2 over 5 and product. The reciprocal about fifth, it will be 5 over 1. 5 divided by 5 equal 1. 5 divided by 5 equal 1. 1 times 2 equal 2. 1 times 1 equal 1. 2 divided by 1 equal 2. Then the result will be 2. Question number 4. Find the simplest ratio between 12 and 20. We can divide it by highest common factor between them. It will be 4. 12 divided by 4 equal 3 and 20 divided by 4 equal 5. Then the ratio is the simplest form 3 to 5. Question number 5. The image of the point by reflection on x-axis. We have the rule to find the image of any point at x-axis. We must put x and change the sign of y. Then, this example, we have the point was negative 3 and 3. The image of this point, it will be negative 3 and negative 3. Negative 3 and negative 3. Okay. Again, negative 3 and negative 3. Negative 3 and 3. We want the image of x-axis. Put x and change the sign of y. It's the result. Okay. Negative 3 and negative 3. Letter C, write negative 3 and negative 3 because we have here negative 3 and 3. It's exact result. No. 3 and 3. It's false. 3 and negative 3. It's false. Negative 3 and 0, it's false. So you must put negative here to change the result. About letter C, write negative 3 and negative 3 because you want to find the image of the point by reflection on x-axis. We must put x here and change the sign of y. Write negative 3 and change the sign of y. It will be negative 3 here. Then the result will be negative 3 and negative 3. Okay, it's false. Okay, you must put negative behind this digit in the first projection. Okay. Question number 6. The triangle has space altitude. Any triangle has 3 altitude. What's the meaning of altitude? Altitude, its meaning line segment join between the vertex and perpendicular to the base, such that AD perpendicular to CB is altitude, and we can draw second altitude here, the second and the third. Then if we have accurate triangle, then the 3 altitude will be intersection at what's the point in this triangle, inside triangle. And if we have right angle triangle, then we have 3 altitude intersect at the vertex of this triangle, a vertex here in right angle triangle. And if we have obtuse triangle, we have 3 altitude. They are intersect at one point outside about this triangle. Okay, 3 altitude outside intersect at the point outside. Okay, then in any triangle we have 3 altitude. Okay, in any triangle we have 3 altitude. Then the triangle has 3 altitudes. Question number 7. If we double each length of a cube, then the ratio between the volume of a cube to the new cube. Okay, we want to find the volume ratio between the original value and new volume. The original volume 12 lengths times width times height. And the new cuboid, we can find the volume. It will be length times width times height, but he tried doubles each length of cube. It's a cube or cuboid? It's a cuboid. Or a cuboid, length times width times height. But if we have cube, then length equal width equal height. Then the volume of original cube, it will be cubic side. The side here will be L. It will be L power 3. And if he doubled each length, doubled L here in the new, it will be what? 2L. If we doubled the length here, it will be 2L. Then the new volume, it will be 2L power 3. Understood? Again, in this example, if we doubled each length of a cube, but length of cube is L, then the volume of original cube, it will be length power 3, length power 3, or length times length times length, to find the volume of cube. And if we doubled the length here, L will be 2L, then the volume will be 2L power 3. Then the ratio between the original volume and the new volume, it will be L power 3 to 2L power 3, it will be 8L power 3. And then we can simplify it by divided by L power 3, right, in the simplest form. Okay, then the ratio will be what? 1 to 8, because we divided by L power 3. L power 3 divide itself, it will be 1, and 8 L power 3 divide its L power 3, it will be 8. Then the ratio will be 1 to 8. Okay, understood? Can you solve this example by any method, such as that put this cube, question 7, I will solve this example by another method. If we put that length here was 2 centimeter, then the new cube will be what? 2 product by itself, it will be doubled, its meaning times 2. 2 times 2 equal 4, 2 times 2 equal 4, 2 times 2 equal 4. Then the volume here, it will be 2 times 2 times 2, and the volume here 4 times 4 times 4. Okay, 4 times 4 times 4. 2 times 2 times 2, it will be 8, and 4 times 8, 4 times 4, 16, 16 times 4 equals 64. And then we can divide it by 8, simplest form, by divided by common factors, the result will be 1 to 8. You can solve this example by this method or last solution, okay, as you like. So you must choose letter A, the ratio will be 1 to 8. Question number 2, answer the following questions. Letter A, merchant sold 50 kilogram of apple. We have comparing between kilogram of apple and the price, Egyptian lira. Merchant sold 50 kilogram of apple with 1,550 Egyptian lira. Find the price of kilogram of apple. We want to find the price of 1 kilogram. We can write the price of 1 kilogram. It will be what? The total money divided, or all the cost divided the price of this. He sold 50 kilogram by 1,550. Then the price of 1 kilogram, the price of 1 kilogram equal what? We can write 1,550 divided by 50. To find the price of each 1 kilogram, you find here by using division. Okay, we can write the price of 1 kilogram, cancel 0 by 0, and 15 divided by 5 equal 3, and 5 divided by 5 equal 1. Then the result will be 31 Egyptian lira. The price will be 31 Egyptian lira. Okay. Next question, find the volume of cuboid if dimensions was 10 and 6 and 8. We know the volume equal length times width times height. 10 product by 6 times 8 equal 48. 48 times 10, it will be 480 cubic centimeters, the volume of cuboid. Question number 3, complete the conversion factor of convert hour to minute. We want to convert from 1 hour to minute. How? We must cancel 1 hour, right? 1 hour here in the numerator, and write minute up. We know 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Then the conversion factor will be 60 minutes over 1 hour. Then the result will be 60 minutes. Okay, my students, he won't find the conversion factor for convert hour to minute. To convert from hour to minute, you must write 60 minutes over 1 hour. How? Again, I will solve this example again. First step, we must write here 1 hour. Pay attention about space. Okay, HR reverse to hour. Okay, 1 hour. 1 hour, I want to convert from 1 hour to minute. I want to convert from 1 hour to minute. How? By product fractions. Here we know conversion factor comparing between two equality amounts using different units. Okay, comparing, or the ratio between two different units by using equality amounts. Understood? We know 1 hour equals 60 minutes. How we solve this? We must cancel hour. You must cancel this hour, write hour in numerator. To cancel hour by hour, write hour in the numerator here. But you must write here equality of hour minutes. The new units here minute. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Okay, then the result will be 1 times 60 equals 60. Right here 60 minutes. Then the result will be what? 60 minutes over 1 hour. It's the conversion factor. You must write this in the space. Okay, it's the solution about question number 1. The solution will be 60 minutes over 1 hour. Okay, 60 minutes over 1 hour. This is a step. Question number 2. If the ratio between what Ali has to what Mona has 3 to 5, then we can write here the ratio between what Ali has to Mona has the ratio between them 3 to 5. And Mona has 100 Egyptian lira. You want to find what Ali has with X here, and using include the product of extremes equal product of means. X here refers to what Ali has, 3 product by 100 divided by 5. 100 divided by 5 equal 20. 20 times 3 equals 60. Then Ali has 60 pounds. Ali has 60 pounds. Okay. Question number 3. The point 3 and 0 lies in space axis. 3 and 0 lies in x-axis. Okay, lies in x-axis. 3 and 0. Here's 1, 2, 3. 3 and 0. This point lies in x-axis. Y lies in x-axis because any point, the order here x and y. If y equals 0, then the point lies in x-axis. And if the first projection was 0, x will be 0, then this point lies in y-axis. So 3 and 0 lies in x-axis. Okay, understood? Now we will solve the question number 4. If 10% of amount of money is 50 Egyptian lira, then the total money. He won't find the total, the whole number here, and the part was 50, and the percentage here it will be 10%. You want to find the whole number, you must divide it, the part by the percentage. 50 product by reciprocal about 10% will be 10 over 100. Right reciprocal, it will be 100 over 10. Cancel 0 by 0, and 50 times 10 equal 500. Then the total money will be what? 500. Write 500 in the space. Write 500. Question number 5. Convert 2%, 4 over 5 to space percent. We know the percent is a ratio. Second term is 100. So you must convert 5 here to 100 by product by 20 numerator and denominator. Product by 20 numerator and numerator. 4 times 20 equal 80, and 20 times 5 equal 100. Then the ratio 80 over 100 will be 80%. You must write 80% here. Question number 6. Space is a ratio between two different quantities. We call it the rate. The rate is ratio between two different quantities, but the ratio comparing between two quality units which have the same units. We have the difference between the rate and the ratio. The rate is the ratio between two different quantities, but the ratio comparing between two quality amounts by using the same units. Okay, so this definition about the rate. Rate is the ratio between two different quantities. If he cancels this word different, you must write the ratio. The ratio is the comparing between two same quantities. The ratio comparing between two same quantities. But the rate is the ratio between two different quantities. Okay, understood? If we cancel this word different and write same, you must write the ratio. The ratio is comparing between two same quantities, but the rate is the ratio between two different quantities. Question number 7. The cube edge length 1 centimeter and the lateral surface area equal what? Okay, he wants to find the lateral area of cube. The cube has four squares at the lateral. Then the lateral area of cube will be 4 product by s power 2. S here refers to the side and power 2 is the area of one face. Then the cube has 4 faces at the lateral. What is the meaning of the lateral? Here it's lateral 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Cancel two bases. Cancel this base and this base. We have in the lid and the base. Cancel the base and the lid. Then we have four lateral faces, but the total faces was 6. So he won't find what the lateral surface area. Lateral surface area equal 4s power 2. But if he won't find total surface area, you must write 6s power 2. Okay, lateral surface area 4s power 2, because we have 4 sides here in the lateral. 1 2 3 4. Cancel the base and the lid. Then the lateral area 4 product by s power 2. The side here was 1 power 2. It will be 1 times 4 equal 4. Then the lateral surface area will be 4 square centimeter. Question 8. Mahmoud bought a computer will 10% discount from its price 15,000. This Mahmoud paid what? Okay, we can write 10%. We can write here discount first. First we can find discount. First step, you must find discount. 10% of one here 15,000. Okay, 15,000 product by 10%. Cancel double zero by double zero, and 150 times 10, it will be 1,500 Egyptian lira or pounds. It's a discount. Then the price after discount, you won't find the price after discount. You must cancel 1,500 from the cost or the price. 15,000 subtract by 1,500. 15,000 cancel from it 1,500, because the discount was 1,500. 0 minus 0 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. 10 minus 5 equals 5. 4 minus 1 equals 3. Then the price will be 13,500 pounds. 13,500 pounds. Okay, understood? Next question. Question number 4. Locate the point and determine the coordinate D which make a square. Okay. We have here A, B, C, and we want to find the point D to get a square. We know all sides of a square are equal in lengths, and the measure of each angle equal 90 degrees. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, -2, -3, -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3. First point A, 3 and 3, 3 here and 3 going up, and point B, 3 and -2, 3 here and -2, it's point B, and point C, -2 and 2, -2 and -2, -2 and -2 here, C, -2 and -2, and then the point D will be -2 and 3, -2 and 3, it's point D, to get a square, because square has 4 sides equal lengths. The distance between E and B, it will be 3 plus 2, 5 units, and here 5 units. Then the order of the point D will be -2 and 3. Okay, it's the last question. No, we have question number 5 here. Okay, question number 5, the reciprocal of 2 over 5, it will be 5 over 2. Question number 1, choose 5 over 2, reciprocal of 2 over 5. Question number 2, if the quadral pyramid base area base, okay, we have here square pyramid, okay, he give us the area of the base. The area of the base was 60 square centimeter. We know the base of the square pyramid is a square, the base is a square, and he give us the area was 60 square centimeter, and the area of one face, the area of one face was a triangle. The area of one face was 30 square centimeter. Then the total area will be area of the base plus 4 product by the area of one face, because we have 4 triangles. We have 4 triangles equals in the area, they are congruent. Then the total area, we can write the area of the base plus 4 product by the area of each one of this triangle. The area of each one of this triangle was 30. Then the total area will be 60 plus 4 times 30, it will be 120 plus 60, 180 square centimeter. Okay, is the total area, because the square pyramid, we have quadral pyramid area, base 60 and one face. Quadral pyramid area, base was 60 square centimeter, area of one face. Okay, he tell us this information, quadral pyramid, its meaning quadral pyramid area base, area of one face 30, and they give us the area of the base was 60. Its meaning the area of the base here, area of this square, the base was square and each face was triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 product by area of each one was 120 times plus 60, it will be 180. Question number 3, the distance between -3 and 5. We have -3 here and 5. We have 3 units plus 5 units, it will be 8 units. We can find the height between 0 and -3, it will be 3. Absolute value of first number and second number, and add them because we have the different sign here, negative and positive. Then absolute value of -3, it will be 3. 3 plus 5 equal 8. Then the distance between them, it will be 8 units. Question number 4, 20% from 70 pound equals space pounds. We have 20%, it's meaning 20 over 100. Product by 70, cancel 0 by 0 and 0 by 0, divided by 10, okay, and 2 times 7 equal 14. Then the result will be 14. Question number 5, comparing between 15 decimeter and 180 millimeter. We can comparing between meter here, decimeter and millimeter. This sign here, my fingers here, decimeter, okay, and this millimeter. Converted from decimeter to millimeter, product by 10. Do you know? We have here kilometer, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. To convert from decimeter to millimeter, product by 100. Then 15 product by 100, it will be 1500 millimeter. Then this number will be greater than 180 millimeter. Question number 6, product 8 tenths by 7 tenths. It's meaning 8 over 10 and here 7 over 10. 7 times 8 equal 56 over 100. Then you must put the point after two places. Or you can find 7 times 8 equal 56 and the point after one place and one place, and the point will be after two places in the result. The result will be 5650. Question number 7. The area of triangle whose length base was 8 centimeter and corresponding height was 6. Then the area will be half product by base product by height. Half of 8, 4 times 6 equal 24 square centimeter. Question 6. From the revision table, we want to find saved money during 2 months. We can find 75 product by 2 divided by 3, because the product of extremes equals the product of means. Then the price will be equal 75 product by 2 divided by 3. 2 times 75, 150 divided by 3, it will be 50. Here 50, okay, 50 Egyptian lira or pounds. Then he saved money during 2 months. It will be 50 pounds. 50 pounds. Okay, it's last question here.